not sure I can do this. Just being ahead.
But there's a lot of cool things about being ahead. First of all, I can sneak you in a bag and sneak you into movies for free.
That hardly makes up for...
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool. I'm the only girl that has head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life. Is that rain?
Uh-oh. Viking ship! Zombie Viking ship!
Lots of tasty treats for you here, eh, Camille?
Creepy zombie Viking guy! Doing the backflips. Woo! How she managed to do that with a chainsaw, I will not know. Another dark purveyor. Oh my gosh, that's my big sister Sarah.
Who?
My big sister Sarah. She's a zombie hunter too.
Really?
Hey, Sarah! Can you hear me?
Hey! What's up, Juliet?
Can you hear me?
Hey, Cordelia! What's up?
See you in a few!
Wait, it's Sarah, not Cordelia.
Go kick some zombie ass! Oh yeah! I almost forgot!
Can hear you! I said happy birthday.
Happy you don't have a bladder. Otherwise I'd be pissing myself right now.